Trisna Dewi. You can call me Chyntia. And then I'm student of Stickers Surabaya. In this opportunity, I would like to explain about place that I like is rice fields. For me, rice fields is a good place to visit because in there you can see the good view of sunset or sunrise. Also, you can feel a good atmosphere, far away from pollution, crowded city, and another. Sometimes I go to refresh my mind. In there, you can see or feel suns as rise. Insert animal like a frog, but sometimes you should be careful because we also can find a dangerous animal like a snake. It's not only that in rice fields. You can find also canal irrigation in the inside the are many small fish. The most important is why I love rice fields so much because we can see the culture of farmer, the process about rice, how they growing up the local vegetable.
And it's not just the rice fields that I like, but the Budugur Botanical Garden is also one of the tours that I like because there is very cool and fresh place together with family. Of course, it is kept away by pollution like the one on the highway. Many more places that I like this can be seen. These are hills and waterfalls that make me comfortable here. This is the coolest, safe and beautiful place. And there are many that we can see against such as there is no beautiful and green scary dust is arid here. Because in this place there are already restrictions that make this view become damaged. So this beautiful is really beautiful and nice to visit for tourists from outside. Even in the waterfall, the water is very cool and clean. The trust scattered about, but the way to find this waterfall has many obstacles such as lots of try for us to dive to meet the waterfall. Many birds are flying over the waterfall, so it's cool and clean in the place. This nature really makes me comfortable here and not bored for me to explore it every day and every time. Okay, until here is the explanation of Chyntia Trisna vlog in natural places that I like, such as rice fields, hills and waterfall. Hopefully this is useful and hopefully we all also like natural places because it is far from pollution and lots of fresh air and oxygen in natural places like this, and can refresh your mind even if you are bored or sad. Let's visit our natural places around us all. Remember never to throw garbage in a natural place because it can make natural dirty and unclean again. Okay, see you and thank you.